Welcome everyone, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how you can easily fix almost any Bluetooth related problem on your Windows PC. So let's get right into it. Go ahead and open up your Bluetooth settings over here, click on the arrow, click on more Bluetooth settings. And if you have a specific device that does not want to connect for some reason, and you have already connected it before but now it doesn't want to connect again, go ahead and click on these three dots over here, click on remove device. Once you've done that, add the device once again, and maybe that will fix it. But if that doesn't fix it, go ahead and close out of this and search for device manager. Then you want to expand Bluetooth and right click on your wireless Bluetooth adapter and click on disable device. Click on yes. Then you'll get this message saying your hardware settings have changed. You must restart your computer for these changes to take effect. Just click on yes, reboot your PC, and once you've rebooted it, go ahead and head back into device manager, right click on it once again and click on enable device if it hasn't been enabled already, and go ahead and check whether this has fixed it or not. Once you've done that and it still hasn't been fixed, go ahead and open up your file explorer, click on view, click on show, and make sure file name extensions and hidden items are both turned on. Once these are turned on, you can go ahead and head over into this PC, click on local disk and scroll down until you find Windows, and then look for a folder called INF, which is located right over here. Click on it, and now go ahead and scroll down until you find a file called bth.inf and bth.pnf. Select both of these and delete them, and then go ahead and reboot your PC. Select both of them, right click on it and click on delete. And once you've done that, go ahead and reboot your PC and check whether this has fixed it or not. If none of the previous methods have worked, what you can try is open up services, scroll down until you find Bluetooth related services. Let me expand this. Over here you can see three Bluetooth services. Make sure they are all on manual and not on stopped or anything. So check it. If they are on manual, close this, and if it still doesn't work, go ahead and open device manager, look for Bluetooth, right click on your adapter, which is in my case Intel wireless Bluetooth. You might want to remember this name. So in my case I have Intel, but you might have something like Realtek. Right click on it and go ahead and click on uninstall device, reboot your PC and check whether it has fixed it or not. If it still isn't fixed after that, go ahead and open up device manager once again, and if you do not see any Bluetooth device here anymore, go ahead and open up Google Chrome and look for the driver that you had. So in my case I have the Intel wireless Bluetooth, so look for Intel Bluetooth driver and click on it, and it will give you the latest available version for your Bluetooth driver. So install this and this should fix it. If it isn't fixed right now, it will probably be a problem with your device itself and not your computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it wasn't, let me know in the comments, and if it was, let me know in the comments as well. See you guys in the next video.